Okay, so I just realized I got a little thing on top of my chimney. Ah! And the ground is probably too wet for me to get out back and take pictures. Dadgummit. Okay, so we've got duct work. Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at all that. Cray cray. It's just going everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. What's that over there? What room is this? Oh, that's the washer and dryer room. The laundry room. Look at those big old pipes. Does that mean they use really big plumbing pipe? Isn't that pretty big?
That's going to the toilet upstairs.
Well, good. Maybe that means it won't plug up all the time. HVAC. Is that a big vent right in the middle of the room?
Yeah.
Okay. Honey, videoing. Good Lord. And then the most exciting thing is my fireplace. Look. Woohoo! Little thing on top of my fireplace chimney. Yay. It's not a little thing, it's a big thing. Stop it. It's wet and muddy. It's been raining a lot. Bedroom windows. Might have curtains in there. Look, you can't even see inside there. You can if the light's on. But nobody will be looking. Like, see, our neighbor has a fence. That neighbor has a workshop. So we've got lots of privacy in our backyard. I kind of like that though. See if the pool's right out here. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm so excited. That's a nice size back porch.
Mm-hmm.
Is that wider than our Grantsville porch was?
No.
It's not?
No.
It looks a lot bigger. Any idea why? It looks shorter. Like, the length looks a little bit shorter, but it looks wider.
12 by 20. This is 21 by 13. So.
12 by 20, 21 by 13.
Well, it was 21 by 13, wasn't it?
I think it was 13 by 22, actually.
Yeah, because they're going to split outside of the plate.
Right, on each side.
Yeah.
So it made 2 extra feet. This is going to be a nice porch, though. Yay. Is that supposed to be like that right there, that piece of wood cut off? What about that return? Are you filming some of the ducting too? I can't see all the ducting from where I was down. Is that bigger HVAC pipes than normal? Like, I don't remember there being any that huge in the Grantsville house. Was there? For the returns and stuff?